Hello everyone, it's Corinn Giuntoli, your dream healer and teacher. Today I would like to share with you how to clear and protect yourself from psychic attack. How this came about is my husband and I went out on a date last night, and this has happened a few times with a couple of other people where the person isn't themselves, or they're mean to me, or I'm feeling energy in my own that is theirs, and I can't stop thinking about the person. And psychic attack on the other person's part can be conscious or not, and it can be even an energy psychically attacking us. And nothing to be afraid of. You have the power to heal this. All of our angels and guides are here, and light is very strong in removing these energies. So what happened was, we were on this date and my husband was grumpy and on top of it being mean to me, and he doesn't make it a practice to be mean to me. So I said, what is going on? I spoke up for myself and he apologized. And then, we had the dinner and then we came back home, and on the way home he was being mean again, and I was beside myself. I said, no, you can't treat me like this, and burst into tears, and I said, I gotta go clear myself. I went downstairs and got my clearing sheets. I asked what is going on and found out that his energy was in mine, and asked my angels and guides to give it back to him and then bring me back mine cleansed. I learned this from my friend Colleen McCann, who's an amazing energy healer. She gave me all of her sheets, which she gave me permission to use them in my dream healing course. I'll post in the description if you'd like to look up how to heal yourself and clear yourself by using your dreams. And what happened was, I was clear, and I go, okay, but I'm still sad because I don't want to be treated this way, and he knows it, and he apologized again, but it's still like, what's going on? Something's wrong. So I went to bed asking that question, and I woke up from a dream at 1 in the morning, and it was my husband's whole family in this room where everyone was going to go to sleep in this house. And I'm passing out blankets. I look, and his sister, who is he's been having trouble with her. They're having some conflict, and he's been, really upset about this. But his sister was sitting in the corner, cloaked, with a black cloak robe like you see in the movie, and with her arms crossed, and like just staring at me with the evil eye. And I offered her a blanket and she wouldn't even respond. She was just like, she was so mad. So I said, okay, I'm not gonna give her a blanket. She doesn't want one. Next thing I know, she jumps behind me, grabs a wire, and is trying to choke me. This has never happened to me in my life, but what I knew in the dream, I don't know how I knew to put my fingers up, like push up against me, and pull and move like that. And I said, light is brighter than dark. Light is stronger than dark. And then I woke up. And how I woke up was I hear my husband, he was upstairs, and he's coughing and gagging and choking. And I thought, this is too vivid of a dream to not check, and it woke me up out of my sleep. And I got my pendulum. Let's see. Oh, here's my pendulum. I used my pendulum, and I asked, what is this? So on one of my sheets, first I asked, who in this dream was choking me? So was the sister choking me? No. Sometimes in a dream, you could be somebody else. I asked, was she choking my husband? Yes. So in the dream, I was experiencing what he'd been energetically going through. I asked my angels and guides, is this a psychic attack that she's doing, whether she's aware of it or not? We're not even conscious of these. Sometimes emotion can create a psychic attack or put someone in our energy. I got a yes, that she is indeed psychically attacking him. And I asked my guide, Terrence, who was a guide that was gifted to me also by my friend Colleen, he clears dark energy. He's very powerful. So I asked him if he would please clear that psychic attack by sending her, the sister, and anything involved around that, if something's attached to her, send it all through the Vanquishing Darkness doorway, which is a sheet in the clearing sheets that I have. And then I waited and checked again. Is my husband still being psychically attacked by his sister? I gotta know. And then gave back his energy, brought back my energy, and then I got there was nothing else to do. And I went upstairs, I told my husband, I said, I think you need to hear this. So I told him what happened, and he goes, yep, that's her. That's what I feel. That's what's going on. And I said, yeah, I need to show you how to protect yourself from psychic attack. So there's this technique that you can do. It's by Donna Eden. She's an energy healer, and I love her work. So I'm going to scoot back so you can see my chakras. First, tap your K27. This is an immune booster. And then put your hands at your root chakra, which is right over your genitals. Breathe in and pull up. It's called the zip up. Lock it and throw it away. And you do it several times. And I taught my husband, and he did this. And then I went back to bed. He came down to our bedroom this morning, a different man. I got my husband back. I'm so happy to have these tools. I hope that this helps you. Please leave comments and questions below, preferably kind. I love kind comments. They make my day. And let me know. Let me know how it goes. Whether you or a loved one are being psychically attacked, this has helped me so much, and I felt compelled to share it with you. Namaste.